Candid. New trends in English grammar and composition. Book 7.
Chapter 1. Subject and Predicate. Hello friends, nice to see you once again. Welcome to the first session of NTEG 7. In this session, we will discuss about the parts of sentences. Each sentence has two parts. One is subject and the second is predicate. For example, the captain received the trophy. Let's explore them individually. Subject. In a sentence, the person, place, thing or idea we speak about is called subject. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. TV is a wonder box. In these sentences, the words Delhi and TV are subjects. Normally the subject comes before the verb, but in interrogative sentences, it comes after the helping verb. For example, did we dance? Here, subject is we. In imperative sentence, the subject is omitted. For example, take boiled water. Here, subject is you, but it is understood and not mentioned. And the second part of sentence is predicate. What we say about the subject in a sentence is called predicate. For example, cell phones have become a necessity. Lions roar. The clouds are thundering. The groups of words in bolds are the predicates. Now, let's find out the elements of predicate. Number 1 is predicate must have a finite verb. For example, dogs bark. Water is running. Here in these sentences, bark and running are the verbs. Number 2 is a predicate may have an object. For example, Sonalika is playing a video game. The parliament discussed the issue. Here, video game and issue are objects.